Hey everyone! If you're searching for awesome college vibes, serious workout motivation, and nonstop positive energy, you've got to check out Elena Owens. This 19-year-old University of Utah Delta Gamma sorority sister is living an amazing life, balancing intense training sessions, fun sorority activities, daily adventures, and that confident main character energy that lights up the whole feed. Whether you love fitness content, relatable college life, or just need some real motivation and good vibes, this video is perfect for you. Let's jump in and see why Elena Owens is such an exciting young talent.
Yeah. Yeah. It's that modern flow, female boss.
Glow. City lights flashing, I'm moving through the night. Heels clicking pavement, got the whole block in sight. They talk behind my back, but I just left it off. Stacking up the wins while they stuck in the soft.
Rap game queen, crown tilted to the side. Water mine, oh, so watch me glide. From the bottom to the top, no shortcuts taken. Every bar spit, leave the haters shaking. Feel the bass hit, heart racing fast. This is my moment, make it last. I'm the voice in the dark, female rap spark. Modern hip-hop queen, light up the park. Hips sway to the beat, words cut deep. Rise up, never sleep, this is my street. Female power flow, watch the whole world know. Hip-hop in my blood, let the rhythm shout.
Late nights in the studio, been moving like fire. Thoughts getting higher, taking it to the wire. Exes trying to call, but I hit decline. Focus on the grind, this empire mine.
Trap hi-hat snapping, melody so clean. I'm the future sound, living out the dream. No apologies, I own my every move. Female rap legend, got nothing to prove. Break it down, feel it now. We rise together, hear the crowd. I'm the voice in the dark, female rap spark. Modern hip-hop queen, light up the park. Hips sway to the beat, words cut deep. Rise up, never sleep, this is my street. Female power flow, watch the whole world know. Hip-hop in my blood, let the rhythm Modern rap, we taking over. Yeah, 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 yeah,
Here's what makes Elena Owens stand out. Her content mixes two really cool worlds. First, her fun college lifestyle, sorority events, spontaneous dances with her sisters, Utah adventures, daily vlogs, and those honest day-in-the-life moments that feel super relatable and entertaining. Then she brings the heat with her fitness side. Standing at 5 feet 9 inches, she shares real lifting workouts, back days, shoulder sessions, core training, and honest progress updates. She shows how you can stay consistent, get stronger, and still have fun with it. Perfect motivation whether you're just starting out or already on your fitness journey. What truly makes Elena special is her positive influence. She shares real self-growth, strong friendships, college fun, and that you can do it mindset. She brings big sister energy that encourages young people to chase their goals while enjoying life at the same time. Her videos are fast, fun, and easy to watch, exactly the kind of content young audiences love. One second she's powering through a workout, the next she's celebrating with her friends or spreading good energy. It's entertaining and uplifting all at once. So overall, Elena Owens is the complete package. She represents the best of young talent today, balancing fitness, friendship, college experiences, and personal growth with a positive attitude. She's a great example of how you can stay driven, build strength, and still keep things fun and real. If you like this, hit that like button. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next spotlight on rising young creators. Tell me in the comments, what do you like most about Elena Owens, her fitness motivation, or her fun college energy? Go check out Elena Owens on TikTok and follow along with her journey. All the links are down in the description. Let's show some support for this awesome young talent. Thanks for watching, stay motivated, keep grinding, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.